JLM Lubricants professional range saves workshops time and money, but only if used correctly and safely. These instructions show how you can make the most from our chemical expertise. JLM Lubricants DPF Cleaning Spray is our first professional option to get customers back on the road quickly, especially if they are returning later for more in-depth diagnostics. It is a safer alternative to forced regenerations, especially during the diagnostic stage. Allow the engine to cool so that the DPF temperature rests between 20 and 40 degrees Celsius. Check the car diagnostically for fault codes and record the DPF pressure live data. JLM's DPF Cleaning Spray quickly breaks down soot deposits with the minimum of dismantling. Yet, as the fluid must be applied directly into the DPF, it is sprayed through either one of the temperature or pressure sensor apertures. Before using the DPF cleaning spray, wear watertight gloves that comply with EN 374 and tight sealing goggles. Insert the nozzle and spray the entire aerosol's contents into the front pressure sensor so the DPF inlet becomes saturated. For best results, move the nozzle up and down and rotate it as you do so. An alternative option is to remove a pipe at the pressure sensor and insert the extension probe as far down the tube as you can. Whichever method you choose, it is vital that the aerosol remains upright as it is being emptied. Once the canister is empty, it can be recycled with workshop consumable aerosols. Reassemble the DPF pipes, making doubly sure that they are leak-free. Position a catch tray close to the tailpipe. Start the engine and allow it to run at idle speed in a well-ventilated area. The exhaust gases push the cleaner through the DPF so it dissolves the soot, some of which exits the exhaust as sooty water. Stop the engine once the dripping ceases. Read the fault codes and check that an active regeneration can take place. Only if no fuel additives have been dosed previously, consider adding JLM's J02210 to the diesel tank for best results. Take the car for an extended highway drive, preferably for at least 30 minutes, at constant speeds of around 100 kilometers or 60 miles per hour. Once the regeneration process is complete, return the car to the workshop and, with the engine idling, check for fault codes and verify that the DPF pressure differential readings have reduced. As with any repair, prioritize the manufacturer's instructions, because details will vary depending on the vehicle.